of campaign here in the Western Cape. So far it's going extremely well. The response of our people has really been at a high level, and I am really encouraged.
Wamukelwe ngehasha umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa ePhilippi eNtshingilanga Kapa nabekayozibawela amavoti.
We want to reiterate and make it clear that special votes are available to all registered voters upon application.
Uyavalwa namhlanje ebusuku kilabo abafuna ukuvota ngokukhethekileko emakhethweni azayo. Sanamukela endabeni zesindebele eziqhatsha bunqopha ku-SABC1 akwande sitshaba sekosi. Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa ukhamiselele ijima lokuzibawela amavoti eNtshingilanga Kapa. Mvanje ube sePhilippi lapho wakhuluma khona namakhulukhulu amalunga omphakathi. Ramaphosa ubuke ne-ANC ngemisebenzi eyenzileko solo yathoma ukubusa.
Ngongitshiya ngikuchiye enhlanganweni zepolitiki zigijima elideni elifishane zizibawela amavoti njengoba nekhetho lanonyaka eliyokubanjwa pheze kupheleni kwenyanga le selisemnyango. Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa naye bese Philippi yokuba amavoti emphakathini wakhona ubengena umuzi nomuzi kanti ubuye wakhuluma namakhulukhulu omphakathi bowabatshela bona i-ANC ifanele ukukwakwazela ngombana iletha amajuguluko amaningi elizweni elisolo yathatha indambo zokubusa. Bewatsho nokuthi iyabonakala imisebenzi yayo ngemali lesibonelelo sesondlo sabantwana.
Ngamazi uTata Mandela wayebathanda abantwana. Wathi umntwana xa ezalwa uzoba umntwana kahulumeni and uzawufumana igrant until abe na 18 years. Yaqala leyo program ngaphansi kahulumeni uka-African National Congress. Mshayeleni izandla lo hulumeni.
uRamaphosa uthi nokho imali yabantwana yesibonelelo abanye bayisebenzisa kuhle kodwa na ulila ngokuthi abanye bayibetha ngesibhuku.
Le grant xa iphuma sifumana ukuthi ngamanye amaxesha iya komama babantwana. Okay, abanye bathenga ukutya, abanye bahamba bayenza inwele ngayo niyazi nani, abanye bayenza bafaka inatsika i-lipstick, bathenga i-lipstick and so on and so on.
uRamaphosa uthembisa amalunga omphakathi walapha bona basazokuragela phambili nangemfundo yasimahle enkolweni. Mengameli we-ANC usazokuragela phambili nakezinye indawo ngokuzibawela amavoti.
Abaholi bezekolo bathi kuyafuneka bona uhulumende awulalele newabo umbono ukuceda ezinye intshijilo abantu abahlangabezana nazo. Abaholi benkolo ezihlukeneko baveze ukuthi indakamizwa ukubulalana kunye ukukhahlumezana ngokobulili ngeminye imiraro edosa phambili emphakathini. Uhulumende adoswa phambili lisekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uhlangene nabaholi abahlukahlukeneko ekulumisoneni eKapa.
Bahlathululwa njengethemba lomphakathi kaningi abaholi bezekolo ngibo ababizwa kokuthoma imndeni namkha abantu nabararekileko.
As a Cape Town Ulama Board, when we engage with our people, we talk to them, we see the hurt in their hearts, how much pain they're suffering, parents are being abused by their children, all these things happen.
Imraro efaka ukubasidisi kwabentazanyana abasasengaphasi kweminyaka obudala, ubulelisi kunye nevikeleko labantu bengubo nabentazana kuthiwa ifuna isekelo lomuntu wonke kuze iphele.
The killing of the youths, the young children, with alcohol, drugs. So that is a very, very, very dangerous thing that you say, because abantwana manje, they don't listen to any of their parents.
At the present moment, kids are vulnerable, they are being raped by the elderly people. So we, the church, we are saying we need to stop that.
Uhulumende uthi uzibophelele ekukhuthazeni ukuvuselelwa kwesimilo emphakathini ukuletha ukuthula.
We are saying to the interfaith community, as government, as we deal with these issues, you should be there. You should be our partners because you have always been. Let's work on these things together.
Abaholi bekolo bathi kuhlokeka imikhulumiswano yakhako.
I-ANC isejimeni layo lokuzifunela amavoti. Namhlanje bebangena umuzi nomuzi eSoweto babawa amavoti. Isekela likaMengameli we-ANC laphambilini uKhalima Motlanthe ngomunye wemphathimandla ze-ANC ezikulu ezisikimileko namhlanje izayo ukufuna amavoti ngaphambi kwekhetho elingomhla ka-29 kuMrhayili.
Izakhamuzi ze-Deep Kloof eSoweto zimlilele ngokuhlayela kwemisebenzi, umxhako kunye nokusetshenziswa kwendakamizwa kakhulu endaweni ekhabo uMengameli walokho uKhalima Motlanthe.
Sicela nivule imisebenzi kakhulu, abantwana bethu bayafunda, bagraduate, baqede lapho bahlale namajazi abo phansi, bahlale nemfundo yabo phansi. For instance, la kwami abantwana bakhona omunye siqeda ukumncwaba manje ngoJuly, simthole esigangeni alahlekile, singamazi ukuthi ukuphi, baze bangene kuma drugs. Na 3 yabantwana la ababhema ama drugs ngendaba yani yokufunda bangatholi imisebenzi bese bazinikele ama drugsini because abasebenzi.
Nakusenjalo uMengameli walokho uThabo Mbeki naye bekakhamba abamavoti esifundeni seGauteng akhambisana nosihlalo we-ANC eGauteng uBhanyaza Lesufi. Kanti abantu bamthabele khulu uMbeki bebasonduza nabafuna ukumbona nokuzabona uthini ejimeni lakhe lokuzifunela amavoti.
Abavoti abazihlolisele ukuvota abafuna ukufaka imbawo zabo zokuvota ngokukhethekileko basele nethuba linye lokuthi bakwenze lokho. Ngoba phakathi kobusuku banamhlanje kuyavalwa. Abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka bayakhuthazwa ukuthi bafake imbawo zokuvota ngokukhethekileko.
Isifunda sePumalanga Kapa sineswalo esiphezulu sabavoti abazihlolisele ukuvota abafake imbawo zokuvota okukhethekileko bangaphezulu kwe-200,000 kanti esifundeni seFreystata iswalo sakhona siphasi kunazo zonke imfunda siku-46,542. Iswalo sabantu abazihlolisele ukuvota in-stations zokuvota siphezulu khulu nakulinganiswa nalabo abazihlolisele ukuvota ngendlini zabo kunye nembedlela.
We believe that this is a great opportunity for those of our citizens who are not able to come on the 29th to have a prior opportunity to cast their votes.
Abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka nawo bakhuthazwa ukuthi bafake imbawo zokuvota ngokukhethekileko kanti bazokuqalelelwa ngefanelo nabavotako.
They can get to a station and there are 2 possibilities at the voting station. If you are blind, we have a template that we use to put in the ballot. We call it a UBT, Universal Ballot Template. If the person can read Braille, they can use that independently without having to be assisted by anyone and having to disclose their political choice. So UBT will be available at the voting station.
Ikomishini yezekhetho godu iyayikhalima indaba yokusabalalisa indaba ezingaseleqiniso malana nokuvota okukhethekileko.
We want to reiterate and make it clear that special votes are available to all registered voters upon application. So, and the process of approval is not age-based. You get a special application not because of your age, but you get a special vote because you have applied either to be visited at home or you have applied to vote at the voting station on either the 27th or 28th. So there's no truth in the circulating email, that WhatsApp that says everybody who's above 60 is going to get a special vote.
Abavoti abazihlolisele ukuvota abafisa ukufaka imbawo zokuvota ngokukhethekileko bangazifaka imbawo ku-website yekomishini ejameleko yezekhetho ku-www.elections.org.za nofana bathumele umlayezo wenomboro yabo kamazisi ku-32249 ngaphambi kokuthi kuvalwe phakathi kobusuku.
Nasibuya entolo.
Sihlonipha wonke umuntu namasiko wakhe kodwa sithi umuntu akangenzi lemikhiba yakhe ayenze emsebenzini wethu.
Bathi bayesaba ukubuyela emsebenzini abasebenzi besasa eMkhondo njengoba nabaphathi babanjwe ikhamera baphunga ama-ofisi nabantu abangaziwanga. Awusanda ukungena siyakwamukela endabeni zesindebele ku-SABC1 zisekhona kanti indaba eziyatholakala ku-SABC Plus ku-YouTube na ku-Facebook. Iphasi lonke ligidinga inkululeko yembikindaba. Kani ilizwe lekhethu lona ligidinga iminyaka ema-30 yenkululeko, sihlezi phasi nesichema sababikindaba ekhabe sibika ngokuphela kombuso webandlululo kunye nokuvotelwa kombuso wenkululeko. Isichema esikhabe sisebenzela ekumbeni yababikindaba eParlamente, sabika nangekomitini yokubuyisana yamaqiniso.
Bahlangene lapha babuzana amavuko pheze ngemva kweminyaka ema-30 bagcinana. Lake mavulandlela wababikindaba ekhabe basebenzela iphiko lendaba le-SABC eParlamente ngemva kwaka-1994.
The strength about this team was not only its diversity and the different languages and the different sensibilities it brought to bear, but the different skills that we had. So for instance, many of you, Denzel in particular, and could come at about the time I came, Joseph came a bit later, and Manalisi knew a lot about the actual technical stuff about radio.
Nange ukusebenzisa umtshini wedictaphone kuzwakala ngasuthi sikade ke uyokuhlola Google ukuze ngehlele kuthiwa ye-reel to reel ekhabe lisetshenziswa babikindaba bezepolitiki ukuhlanganisela imikhatsho imbiko.
Everything was new during those times. So whether it was like technically trying new things or whether like shaping history was happening kind of day by day. So what a privilege, eh? What an incredible privilege to be around at that time,
Bathwa imlando ngapha bathokele babika ngawo khabe bangabi ngokwenzeka iParlamente kwaphela kodwa kwafanele bona baklame namagama amatsha abazowasebenzisa.
People having to find words for things which you'd never had to find words for in different languages. So Manalisi found the word for AIDS in Xhosa. What was it again?
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
iParlamente yombuso wentando yeningi khabe seyijamile woke amaSouth Africa lokho kweza nomsebenzi ukufundisa abantu ngomsebenzi weParlamente kwaba khona nenkhathi zokuhleka nokhunye.
There was Johnny de Lange and Mani Skuman. Johnny punched Mani Skuman.
Babona konke kwenzeka basebenza ubusuku nemini nakuthoma ukusebenza komthetho sisekelo.
But then if you remember, do you remember the constitutional process? We would be there at 1 in the morning.
Yeah, we left at 4:30.
Nanyana khabe ngekhe kulunge bona isiqhemisi singathindwa ngezinye indaba zekomitini le kwabanye kwaba ngasuthi ezinye zezihlakalo zenzeke kulabo abajidelele nabo.
The first day, the first morning, the first person who testified was one of the Cradock 4 widows. And she started speaking after Tutu asked her something, and then she made a wailing sound that one will never ever forget.
Ngemva kweminyaka ema-30 kra kanjani kubikweni kwendaba kanti kuzokra kanjani eminyakeni ema-20 ezako.
iParlamente yesithandathu yelizwe lekhethu yokucedelela isikhathi sayo sokusebenza ngaphandle kokuvala isikhundla sikaSpeaker. Isikhundla sisivuleke ngemva kokuthokoza umsebenzi kwakaNosivuyo Mapisa-Nqakula okulandela izongo abatsho yobukhohlakali.
uMapisa-Nqakula wabeka phansi ngomhla wesi-3 ku-April njengosomlomo kwana njengelungu leParlamente. Iqela le-DA libhalele ibambela uLetshisa Tsinodi licela ukuba onke amakhulu amane amalungu eParlamente abizelwe kwindibano ekhethekileyo ukwenyula usomlomo.
Why this is important is it's important that we follow the rules into the T and the letter of the law, and not just simply look at whether or not there's 3 weeks left or 5 weeks left before the term.
Alo amanye amaqela ezopolitiko asikhabile sisiphakamiso se-DA esithi umgaqo siseko kunye nemigaqo nkqubo ye-National Assembly zicace gca ngento emayenziwe kumaxesha anje.
Crisis at the moment because we do have an acting speaker that is fulfilling all the duties that are supposed to be fulfilled by the speaker, and therefore a special sitting during this time I'm not supporting that.
Iqela leGood lisichaze isiphakamiso se-DA njengesiphenjelelwa zezopolitiko.
And to host a sitting, a physical sitting of 400 members to elect a speaker 2 or 3 weeks before an election, when that speaker may never preside over any sitting of Parliament, certainly seems wasteful, and it seems to be the motive appears to be political and not really necessary around the workings of Parliament.
Njalo umbandela wokwenyuswa komvuzo kanobhala weParlamente uXolile George uza kuthunyelwa kwikomiti yendibaniselwano ejongene nezimali zeParlamente. Ngelixa indlu iza kubamba indibano ezimbini phambi kokuba ixesha leParlamente lifikelele esiphelweni ngomhla wama-21 kuMeyi ukujongana nemithetho kwakunye neengxelo zeekomiti. Ndingululama Matya weendaba ze-SABC eParlamente Kapa.
Uthokoza kacedi omunye wabomakekereke zokugwala isiNdebele obuye aphothele angade enze konke okwenziwa ngezandla ebukhwadini bamaNdebele ugogo uNosinki Mahlangu. Ugogo uNosinki usanda ukuhlonitshwa nguMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngonongorwana ekuhlonitshwa ngabo inkutani i-Order of Ikhamanga. Umbiki indaba wethu uNontokozo Sikhosana usicalela umsebenzi kagogo uNosinki Mahlangu.
Ubukhwari bokuphothela, ukungada, ukweluka imiseme, ukugwala kunye nokuvuma makhono kagogo uNosinki wonke njalo. Hlangana nemisebenzi aziwa ngayo esemehlweni wabantu, Maboda weUniversity eMpumalanga ecampusini yeMbombela agawule ngesiNdebele nguye ugogo uNosinki. Akapheleli lapho, unjalo nje sikhaleli. Unesiqhema sabo mavuma naso abazibiza ngokuthi nguNosinki nabo mabemvelo. Ugogo Sophie Msozizwa Mahlangu owaziwa ngelika Nosinki onzinze eGamoro eyaziwa ngeKamel River B eMpumalanga uthokoze ngonongorwana ekuhlonitshwa ngawo inkutani i-Order of Ikhamanga ngendima ilimileko ekuthuthukiseni ubukhwari besiNdebele ukuzibophelela ekudluliseleni ilwazi esizukulwaneni esincane nokulonda amasiko ngokuphothela. Into nangeyakho ngeyakho ikulandelana ekuluphaleni.
Bathi igani bathini kanti mina ngazi bani bathi igani ne
Kadesi nginikela ngonongorwane wobukutani wemendi unongorwane weIkhamanga unongorwane weBaobab unongorwane weLuthuli unongorwane wamaPungu kunye nonongorwane wabalingani baka OR Tambo.
Ugogo uNosinki usebenzisana noDr Esther Mahlangu naye waziwa ngokugwala noma uEsther Mnguni ukufundisa abanethando lokwenza imisebenzi yokugwala nabotitshera ukugwala nokuphothela. Ngo-2020 wathumba iphaliswano le-Inbos National Craft ngokurubelela umlele njani ngomncamo. uNosinki ukuthokozele khulu ukuhlonishwa ngonongorwana lo.
Jabule khulu tani yazi ke ngazincinza kancane ukuthi ngimlona.
uNosinki wafundiswa silukazi simbelethaka ukuphothela kwatsho bona naye vele sikhuthali kanti nje udlulisela ikhono efundweni kwabanye. Ukhuthaze isitshaba wathi umuntu akanganyaza umsebenzi wakhe awenze ngokutharha nangokuzimisela.
Uyathunga uyaphothela uyagwala uyaplastera ureya amateksi nethi le ibhizinisi oyenzako iba strong phezu kwayo.
Umengameli uRamaphosa ubethela abahlonitshwe ngabonongorwana izandla ngendima eqhakathekile abayilimileko ekubeni khona kweSouth Africa inekululeko.
These acts are not done for the sake of name, prestige, fame or fortune. They are done out of conscience and an unwavering responsibility that many of them carry.
Sawungezelele ngokuthi indima ilinywe ngabahlonitshwe ngabonongorwana kufanele kukhulunywe ngayo beyaziwe nasizukulwana sakusasa.
Isitshaba seSouth Africa sinithulela ingwani lonke.
Sezimveke ezintathu zonke avaliwe amaofisi weSASSA eMkhondo ebeyaziwa ngokuthi iPiet Retief eMpumalanga. Lokho kuza ngemva kokuthi isikhulu seofisi nomlawuli wokukhutshwa kwembonelelo zikahulumende baletha amadoda amathathu angaziwa kwazi ukuphathaphatha ngokwesinto emaofisini emvekeni ezidluleko. Abanye abasebenzi bathome ukusola nabaza kufumana inaliti zirhatsheke konke nje eofisini. Konke lokho kubonakele nemakhamereni.
Kuvaliwe amaofisini apha ngombana abasebenzi bayesaba kuzokala bona sekukanengana abasebenzi balila ngokufumana inaliti ezirhatshekile ngeofisini. Bathi nabayoqala amakhamereni elusileko bazibonela ngamehlo kwenzeka emaofisini nabangekho. Kubathusile konke lokhu abasebenzi.
Lesimo esivelela kwaSASSA esisola ukuthi bekunomphathi okusolakala ukuthi ubona kwamakhamera
abasebenzi babe sebethola izinayithi ngaphakathi, so abafisa ukuthi babuyele kungakaxoxiswana nomqashi ukuthi yini eyenzakelanga ngaphakathi. So iservice isamile namanje, sisalindene umqashi ukuthi aqhamuke nohlelo azovela nalo ukuthi uzokwenza njani.
Amalunga omphakathi athwenyekile nawo ngokuvala kwama-ofisi la.
Njengoba kuvala ama-ofisi, abantu abakwazi ukuthola usizo lapha ema-ofisini. And umphakathi siyaphazamiseka kakhulu, so singajabula mekungasheshe kulungiseke lenkinga.
Siyaphazamiseka kakhulu ngoba nje kokuqala besizakala mangabe sibhalisa ama-350, okwesibili mangabe uthola umntwana osomncane usafuna umbhalisa i-social grant awukhona ukumbhalisa kwamanje sesiyahlupheka vele kakhulu.
Bonke abasebenzi ababanje ikhamera namakhathakhatha wabo bajanyisiwe emsebenzini.
Khulukazi emoyeni nasemphefumulweni abanye bayasaba ukubuyela emsebenzini basebenze, kodwa siyazi ukuthi njengoba sicashiwe sisebenzela umphakathi wakithi kumele senze ukuthi ofisi lethu sikhulumisana nezinhlangano zabafundisi umphakathi wonkana nomasipala ukuthi siyise umthandazo silikhulekele le ofisi siyenze lento sithi thina ukuligeza ngesintu, sihlonipha wonke umuntu namasiko wakhe, kodwa sithi umuntu akangenzi lemikhiba yakhe ayenze emsebenzini wethu.
Ngokusho kwaNtshali sebakhulume nabafundisi namanye amalunga omphakathi bona kuyokuhlanjululwa ama-ofisi ukuthi abasebenzi bazokhona ukubuyela emsebenzini ngomvulo.
Ezimali iranda liqinile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Ekhasini le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi yisiphi isichema obona ngathi siyokufika kuma-final we-Nedbank Cup. La kumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Pha ku-final kuya iChippa United neqela leStellenbosch kutsho ikhosi elingonjiweyo ngamanqaku amahlanu impama yonke.
Sundowns izondlula izoya final noma nje izosokhona ngoStellenbosch yadlala.
iStellenbosch neChippa awa angizicali ukukhulu bona ngizo-ke ezizachinga ngo-final.
I-final iyokwenziwa i-Orlando Pirates neStellenbosch nakanjani ezimnyama izondlula futhi izoyiphakamisa le-Nedbank.
Imamelodi Sundowns kanye ne-Orlando Pirates wona amaqembu engithi azosithatha asibeke ku-final.
Awa i-Sundowns ne-Pirates ziya ku-final la kunangenye indlela.
Iqhema eziya kuma-final we-Nedbank iMamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates. I-final iyokuthatha iMamelodi Sundowns.
Mina-ke ngibona iStellenbosch ne-Orlando Pirates baya kuma-final. Angisho ukuthi i-Sundowns iyadlala nayo kepha iStellenbosch siza kabi.
Umbono ngewombukeli, SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Zanamhlanje indaba esikuhlanganisele zona ziphelela lapha. Phele veke akube ngemnandi, iukhobongi.